The Loop Gear SK5 is a compact and multifunctional everyday carry tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Built from premium stainless steel, it integrates a flashlight, power bank, and signal beacon into one durable form. Its high-lumen LED system ensures powerful illumination in extreme conditions, while the modular design supports accessories for camping, hiking, and tactical missions. With waterproof construction and USB-C charging, the SK5 exemplifies innovation and reliability for explorers who demand efficiency and endurance from their gear. The Adventurer is an all-terrain exploration kit built for versatility and resilience in nature's toughest environments. Designed to serve both professional explorers and casual campers, it integrates weatherproof materials, modular components, and lightweight construction for optimal mobility. Its high-capacity storage and multifunctional add-ons enable easy adaptation for extended outdoor missions. Whether tackling rugged mountain trails or overland routes, the Adventurer delivers confidence, organization, and readiness for every journey. The MSR Hubba Hubba tent redefines lightweight expedition shelter with its advanced materials and precision engineering. Built for backpackers and climbers, this two-person tent balances durability, ventilation, and compactness in all weather conditions. Its Easton Cyclone poles withstand strong winds, while the unified hub system ensures quick setup. The ripstop nylon rainfly and large vestibules offer protection and gear storage without extra weight. Trusted by professionals, the Hubba Hubba remains a symbol of innovation in outdoor shelter technology. ESBIT products are engineered for efficiency in outdoor cooking and survival situations. The brand's signature solid fuel stoves and cookware deliver dependable performance in compact ultralight designs. Whether heating meals in alpine environments or purifying water in emergencies, ESBIT systems operate cleanly, safely, and reliably. Known for their German precision and minimalist practicality, ESBIT solutions cater to adventurers who value simplicity, durability, and functionality in extreme conditions. The BioLite fire pit brings modern technology to traditional campfire experiences. Using advanced airflow technology, it produces a smoke-free flame that burns wood or charcoal efficiently. Integrated USB-powered fans optimize combustion while allowing control via a mobile app. With its transparent mesh body, the fire pit provides a full 360 degrees view of the fire, combining warmth, aesthetics, and cooking capability. Perfect for sustainable adventurers, it transforms outdoor gatherings with clean energy innovation and thoughtful design. The Fiskars HIP XA3 is a compact chopping and clearing tool engineered for durability and precision. Featuring a fibercom handle and ultra-sharp blade geometry, it delivers maximum power with minimal effort. Ideal for cutting branches or preparing firewood, its lightweight build offers excellent balance and control. The non-slip grip ensures comfort in all weather conditions, while the included sheath enhances safety during transport. It's the perfect combination of Finnish craftsmanship and ergonomic performance. The Suncase Gear solar lighter harnesses sunlight to create instant ignition for fire starting, offering a fuel-free and eco-friendly alternative. Designed with reflective parabolic mirrors, it concentrates solar rays onto a focal point, igniting materials in seconds. Compact, waterproof, and reusable. It's an essential survival tool for campers, preppers, and adventurers seeking sustainable fire solutions. Combining simplicity with green innovation, the Suncase embodies modern efficiency in outdoor technology. The X-Pro Winter Kit is built for extreme cold weather adventures, offering advanced thermal protection and reliability. Constructed with weatherproof fabrics and insulated components, it ensures comfort and performance in sub-zero conditions. Whether used for overland travel, mountaineering, or expedition support, X-Pro Winter Gear combines high-end engineering with ergonomic design to keep users warm, safe, and mobile even in the harshest winter environments. The Giga Pump 2 is a versatile ultralight air pump designed for campers and travelers. Featuring a high-speed motor and rechargeable battery, it inflates air mattresses, sleeping pads, and inflatable tents in seconds. It doubles as a compact lantern and vacuum pump, adding convenience to any outdoor setup. With USB-C charging and rugged construction, the Giga Pump 2 exemplifies portability, power, and multifunctional design for modern explorers. The Gerber Freescape Camp series represents reliability and safety in outdoor cutting tools. Built with high-carbon steel blades and non-slip handles, these knives and axes are engineered for precision and strength in any environment. The design emphasizes safety with a bright green accent for visibility and a secure locking mechanism. Whether preparing wood, food, or shelter, Gerber Freescape tools deliver performance trusted by campers, survivalists, and outdoor professionals worldwide. The Pact Lite is an innovative, eco-conscious sanitation system designed for off-grid explorers and overlanders. This compact, portable unit replaces traditional chemical toilets with a sustainable, waterless solution that decomposes waste using biodegradable materials. Built from high-durability components and designed for quick setup, it's perfect for RVs, boats, and remote camping sites. Pact Lite prioritizes hygiene, convenience, and environmental responsibility, ensuring a cleaner, odor-free experience wherever your adventure leads. Onana tents redefine comfort in outdoor living with advanced heat-reflective technology that keeps interiors cool even under direct sunlight. Constructed from breathable UV-resistant fabric, these tents maintain a pleasant temperature without heavy ventilation systems. The ergonomic layout ensures space efficiency and rapid setup, while the reflective exterior reduces heat absorption. Onana tents offer a smart, lightweight shelter solution for festivals, summer camping, and overland expeditions, merging comfort with environmental awareness. Inspired by futuristic survival design, the Death Stranding walkie-talkie blends cutting-edge communication technology with rugged aesthetics. Designed for explorers navigating unpredictable terrains, it offers long-range connectivity, durable waterproof housing, and advanced noise-canceling microphones. Its compact form factor and tactical controls enable easy one-handed operation, while extended battery life ensures reliability in the field. This walkie-talkie captures the essence of adventure tech, combining innovation, resilience, and cinematic design. The iCamper Disco series brings gourmet-level cooking to outdoor adventures with its modular, portable design. Built from premium stainless steel and anodized aluminum, this all-in-one cook system includes a skillet, stove, and table stand that pack neatly for transport. It offers versatile cooking options from grilling to simmering, powered by efficient propane or multi-fuel compatibility. Perfect for campers and overlanders, the Disco series merges durability, function, and style to redefine outdoor dining experiences. The Watergen Mobile Box revolutionizes hydration with its ability to generate clean drinking water directly from air humidity. Compact and energy efficient, it can produce several liters of water per day, making it ideal for off-grid vehicles, remote work sites, and disaster response teams. Utilizing patented Genius technology, it purifies and mineralizes water on demand, eliminating the need for bottled supplies. This mobile atmospheric water generator exemplifies innovation in sustainability and self-sufficiency for modern adventurers. The Zippo Axe Saw is a multifunctional survival tool, combining an axe, bow saw, and hammer into a single rugged unit. Built with high-carbon steel and ergonomic grips, it provides power, control, and versatility for cutting wood, clearing paths, or setting up camp. The saw blade stores safely within the handle, while the axe head delivers efficient chopping performance. Designed for durability and safety, the Zippo Axe Saw is the ultimate companion for backcountry and emergency use. The Broda EXP6 stands as a masterpiece of overland engineering and off-road expedition trailer that balances luxury with resilience. Crafted with aerospace-grade aluminum and independent suspension, it's built to conquer the harshest terrains while offering 5-star comfort. Inside, a fully equipped kitchen, climate control, and smart energy systems ensure self-sufficiency anywhere. Designed for modern explorers, the EXP6 redefines adventure living with precision craftsmanship, innovative technology, and uncompromising durability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.